Alright guys, here's just a quick shot of your typical Jeep seat. I'm sick and tired of vacuuming my seats. I'm sick and tired of shampooing them. And if you're like me, you're probably getting sick of it too. Just kind of figured enough's enough. I'm going to get some seat covers. So I reached out to OffGrid, got a set, and I'm going to install them right now and we're going to show them to you. Alright, so it looks like we've got some nice black and blue. These are the brand new tire tread collection from OffGrid, and we got a nice elasticity to it, nice and thin, nice and breathable, but nice and stretchy as well. And we'll throw these on and check them out. So there you have it. We've got our seat covers installed, and I'll just move out of the way here. You can take a better look. They just add a little bit of extra color and character to your Jeep. Maybe they'll match with some of the interior components you have, but cheap way to protect your seats, make it easier to clean them, and really just puts a little style to it.